Number 5 is solve compounding inequality. Two inequalities, x plus 5 is greater than 6 or x plus 4 is less than 2. So let's solve them simultaneously. So this is x plus 1 is greater than 3 or x plus 4 is less than 2. So subtract 1 from both sides from the first one and subtract 4 from both sides from the second one. Then the first one is x is greater than 2. The second one is x less than minus 2. So that means it is x is less than minus 2 or x is greater than 2. In a graphic format, x is less than minus 2. It is from minus 2 to infinity, minus infinity to minus 2. Or x is greater than 2, which starts at 2 and goes all the way to infinity. So it is 2 to infinity, and this u means a or union. Okay. In a set format, it is a set of x where x is less than minus 2 or x is greater than 2. Okay. Absolute value equation. Number 6 is absolute value equations and inequalities. So it is absolute value of 3x plus 1 is equal to absolute value of 2x plus 4. So that means absolute 3x plus 1 is equal to the negative of minus 2x plus 4, or 3x plus 1 is equal to the positive of 2x plus 4. Solve this simultaneously. 3x plus 1 equal to minus 2x minus 4, or 3x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 4. So this becomes, the first equation is 5x equals minus 5, and the second one is x equals 3. Divide the first one by 5, then x is equal to minus 1 or x is 3. So solution in graphic format, x is exactly minus 1 or exactly 3. In a set format, x is a value of a set of minus 1 and 3. So that is x is exactly minus 1 or x is exactly 3. Okay. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.